we can make our dashboard or Google Sheet template more user-friendly and easy to navigate by doing this technique. So here's one. Let's adjust the column and let's merge these rows into one. And then let's insert our logo. So you can go to insert and then insert image in cell and then browse. You can also drag and drop the image of the logo here, then select, then open. And the logo will automatically inserted on the merge cell. Then the next one, let's adjust this column and then let's add what's the page or sheet is for. Let's say this is for the dashboard. And then let's increase the size like 15 and then let's bold it and then use your brand color to match it and then um, add the menu list here like dashboard, then leave some space, then sales, and then product. Okay, since this okay, so don't forget to rename the sheet name. Then let's add some border here that will act as a separator. Okay, use your brand color to make it uniform. So the shortcut key for selecting or highlighting the cells or rows or columns is Ctrl Shift and then arrow keys. If you want to highlight the entire rows, you can just click or press Ctrl Shift and then arrow right keys. Okay, to select and then format with the color. And then let's since this is a dashboard, uh, in order for the user to identify what sheets is she or he in, you can just highlight this by um, making it bold and then change the color to white and then the background color to let's say to your brand color. So this way, meaning he or she is in dashboard sheets and then the content here, dashboard content, dashboard content. Okay, and then so we're done with the template. So we can uh, disable the grid lines to make it more good looking. And then since we have three sheets, so we can just duplicate this dashboard sheet into three. So to do that, you can click the arrow down key and then select the duplicate and then just rename it to like what it what cells or what sheet is this like sales and then rename the title and then also the content sales content and then let's remove the or for the fastest way we can simply select this cell and then use this paint format and then click the current. Okay, so you don't have to format it um, like you have to format the text color, the background color. Okay, and then this one you can simply delete the okay no no okay So we can simply format it back to the um, normal style. Okay, and then the last one is the product. Just duplicate it and then rename it product. So this is a product page, and then for shortcut you can select the cell and then choose paint format and then click the cell that you want to format and then format it back. Since we are in the product page, so let's rename this one, and then says go select the sales page, and then we'll format it back to the normal formatting. So reset and then block. Okay, then the last thing we will do is to link that text to the sheet. So let's say we will link this one to sales sheet. So just select this one and then click this insert link icon, and then sheets and name ranges, and then sales. Also this one, so you just have to repeat the process. Okay, then go to the sales. So dashboard, insert link, sheets and name ranges, and then dashboard. Also the product, then sheets and name ranges, product, and then the product. So dashboard, insert link, sheet and name ranges, dashboard, and then the sales, insert link, sheets and name ranges. Oh, sorry, this is the sales. Okay, so we're done. So what makes this technique better is when someone use this template, or maybe we can call them like they don't know how to use Google Sheet or Excel fluently. So in this way, this dashboard act like a user-friendly one. So meaning if they see this dashboard, they are in the dashboard sheet. So they don't need to click the sheet below. So let's say they want to go to sales sheet, so they can simply point the cursor the sales link and then click the sales, and then it will take them to the sales sheet. Okay, same with the product. Okay, you can simply navigate and explore this one. Okay, this is how this thing works, or this technique works. So if you want this tutorial or want more like this, simply follow my YouTube channel, comment and share this with your friends, and see you on the next one.